Welcome to RemoteWinBox. Here is a quick video on how to get started. Start at RemoteWinBox.com and click on My Account and to register. And here you'll just put in your name, email, and set a password. And then you'll just hit register, and this will send an activation link to that email you just entered. So you'll just click that link in the email to activate your account, and then you can log in. And the dashboard will be pretty empty to start, so we'll go over to router list and add a router. Here you will add a name for your router and can adjust several settings such as the port, enabling API and SSH, adjust the permissions, add tags, turn on or off notifications, and you can add a router location. And after you hit submit, you will see a configuration that we will just click to copy. And then we'll open Winbox and we'll put where we want to connect to, so make sure you are connected to your router. And your login and your password, we'll definitely recommend changing your user and pass from the default admin. And now we are connected to our router in Winbox. We'll open a new terminal, press enter, right click and paste the configuration we just copied. Then we can go back to RemoteWinBox and return to our router list page, and we can see that the router is now online. And if we go back to our dashboard, we can now see some information in here. And if I had added a lat long, that would show up on the map. We hope you enjoy using RemoteWinBox. If you need help with anything, you can reach out to us at support@remotewinbox.com.